everyone, we've got me, my name is John, and we've got my beautiful wife, Megan, also known as Frances. And today we are going to show you like 8 or 9 items that we sold on eBay for some huge money. Not huge money, but some decent money. It's how we make a living. I and my wife are full-time resellers, and we sell just about anything we can put our hands on. We do own a pop culture shop. It is upstairs above our head, and there we just sell music and CDs and movies and toys and all kinds of wonderful stuff. But we're going to hop right into this video, and the first thing that we sold is what, Francine?
A baseball.
Oh, we sold a baseball. These I bought at an auction. I bought a whole collection of them. I listed them for $9 a piece plus shipping, but I am taking some offers on them. This one is some baseball player by the name of Jimmy Fox, and it's just an Avon ball. Some of that weird Avon stuff that they came out with in the 90s. And how much did it sell for?
$7 plus shipping.
$7 plus shipping. Not getting rich on it, but I'm going to take that money. I know some people are like, if it ain't 20 bucks, I'm not going to sell it. And I'm like, I'm going to sell everything. I'm flipping the world, baby. What is the next item that we got? The next item that we sold here is the Gaither's Homecoming Classic. So this is the stuff that your grandma probably loves if she goes to the Southern Baptist Church and takes some of the most delicious fried chicken in one of them Pyrex dishes with the little chickens or the farmer and his wife on the side of it. Stuff is the best. If you ain't ever been to a Baptist potluck, I don't care if you don't believe in Jesus. Find you a church that has a potluck and just go for the food. I mean, it's delicious. But we sold these for how much?
$30 plus shipping.
30 bucks plus shipping, and that was a Megan find. She actually scored those. She found them, and I think we paid like $5 for them or something. Okay, guys, the next item that we sold is, well, that didn't work out the way I thought it was. We sold a one of these. It is a Scentsy Warmer wrap. It's called Friendly Forest. How much did it sell for?
$9 plus shipping.
$9 plus shipping. Not too bad. I'm not getting rich today, folks, but I'm about ready to be able to afford some Chinese food. And that's what I'm always thinking about, Chinese food.
Or Mexican food.
Or mainly Mexican. If I had to pick a race of people to be besides white, Irish, I'd probably want to be Mexican. For one, Spanish is a pretty awesome language. And for two, they got like the best food ever. It's just pretty awesome. Okay, the next item that we have here is this High School Musical doll. And how much did it sell for?
$28.18 plus shipping.
$28.18 plus shipping. Now that we've made enough money that Megan can go eat with me, it's just not me eating by myself, because that happens a lot. I like Mexican food so much that I will literally sometimes just go to the Mexican restaurant and I'll eat food without her because she gets tired of it. She's communist or something. The next item that we sold here is this American Flyer. It's just a, I don't want to pull it out too far. It's just a train car. Probably like a coal car or something. How much did it sell for?
$31.45 plus shipping.
$31.45 plus shipping, sprinkled on top. Okay, guys, the next item that we sold here is this awesome Gerber multi-tool. It comes with the sheath. You put that on your hip, and you're the coolest dad at the book fair. I don't care what anyone says. If you have one of these on your hip, you're the MacGyver. You're the guy that can fix the car on the side of the road with some paper clips and some frickin' bubble gum. That's not me, though. I'm not that dad. My wife just informed me while I stood here that it sold for $42 and how much?
70 cents.
70 cents plus shipping. Boom! We sold this for how much?
$17.05 plus a little bit of shipping.
$17.05 plus a little bit of shipping. We have probably made hundreds of dollars off that playset. It's amazing. If you find a playset that's missing parts, and what I would suggest is you just list the parts individually, because we sell stuff from that playset all the time. We probably made a bajillion dollars. A bajillion, watch, boom, bajillion dollars. Okay, guys, the next item that we have here is this little lock. I've sold this before, and it came back because I was dumb and I didn't test it to make sure the key unlocked the lock, I guess. But now I sold it that it doesn't unlock, and we sold it again for pretty good money. How much?
$22.45 plus shipping.
$22.45 plus shipping. The next item that we sold is this awesome Ritz cracker tin. We sold it on eBay, and how much did we sell it for?
$8.32 plus shipping.
$8.32 plus shipping. That's pretty awesome. Okay, guys, this is what dreams are made of. You know, when you're out thrift shopping and you come across something and you're like, that's going to be money. That's going to be just, I'm going to make so much money on that, Megan. I'm going to get rich. We're going to go to Paris. We're going to spend the night in Milan. And this is that item that you think. You're like, oh my God, all I can hear is people talking about sealed VCR tapes. And if you can see, this one's sealed. So what I did is I bought it and I listed it. But I realized real quick that not all VCR tapes are made the same. I bought it, I listed it, and how much did it sell for?
$1.75 plus shipping.
She said that loud enough you could probably hear it. $1.75 plus shipping. So, yeah, that was, we probably made about 80 cents on that after everything. So, there you go. You can't hit home runs all day, Megan. Sometimes you got to do a sacrifice bunt so that you can drive another sale home. And what's the next item that we sold?
That's the last item.
This is the last item, and we sold a meat cleaver. Leave it to Cleaver. It's pretty nice. This is a tiny one, though. It's probably for cheese or something. How much did it sell for?
$13 plus shipping.
$13 plus shipping. So that's all of the stuff that we sold today. Hope you guys enjoyed this part of the video. Say bye, Francis.
Bye, Francis.
Bye, Francis.